Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Buick LaCrosse. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type of new oil. You will also need a drain pan and safety glasses for protection. Always consult your owner's manual to confirm the specific oil type and capacity required for your vehicle. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Once your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on jack stands, locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch all the old oil. Carefully remove the plug, allowing the used oil to flow out completely. This step is crucial for ensuring all contaminants are removed from the engine. After the old oil has fully drained, remove the old oil filter and install the new one, hand tightening it firmly. Remember to replace the drain plug securely to prevent any leaks. Now, carefully add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the filler cap, typically found on top of the engine. Pour slowly to avoid overfilling. With the new oil in, check the level using the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Start your engine briefly to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. This ensures everything is sealed correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clean as your engine. Proper maintenance extends your vehicle's life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.